Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you for watching. So I just want to quickly go over a few things that I've got and picked up from the Tarte custom beauty kit sale. So these are my goodies, and I'm super late with this because we are now in June, and you know the sale was in May. So if you're not familiar with the sale, Tarte does this sale when they offer you 7 full-size products for a certain amount of money. So really quickly, hopping right into it, I picked up the Juicy Lip Plump Gloss, and let's see what shade I got. I thought I was going for the brown shade, but oh, it's like a chocolatey burgundy shade. Okay, so, and I'll be doing another video where I try these on bare face so we can really see if it's going to work for me or not. Because a lot of this I was guessing with the shade range and all that good stuff. So if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So next up is the Face Tape Press Powder. And I got this in the shade Rich Sand, which is 57S. So that is what that looks like. That's super cute. I don't know if you guys are able to see that. And then I have the Amazonian Clay Blush in Confidence, because the shade just really spoke out to me. It's super cute. This is more of a deeper brown shade, so I'm going to probably use it more so as a contour, just to give that warmth to my face. So I'm excited to use that because I just can see that in pan and know that that's going to work. So next up is the Creaseless Creaming Concealer. So I keep hearing about concealers being creaseless, and that's cute and everything, but I'm really going to put this to the test because I have no concealer on today, but I do have fine lines and all that fun stuff underneath my eyes. So therefore, if it's going to say creaseless, I really want to put it to the test. And I got it in the shade, let's see here, Deep Sand 53S. So, and again, I'm going to do another video when I try these on for you guys. Okay, next up is the Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. So I am excited about this because the brush looks something similar to It Cosmetics mascara, and that is my absolute favorite mascara ever. It's the only one that truly works for me, gets my lashes, because I have lashes on now, obviously, but when I take my lashes off and I'm just doing, just regular mascara, I do my MAC lash primer, and I do that mascara, and then it just gives me like a serious situation, and I don't have lashes. So I'm eager to try this formula and the brush, because honestly the formula is okay with mascaras. I'm more concerned with the brush when I'm trying a new mascara, because that's ultimately, the deal breaker here. Okay, so next up is, the packaging is everything. I love how they make sure it's not going to arrive damaged. So, this is super cute. So this is the Glamazon eyeshadow palette. Super cute. Okay, let's look into this. So this is what that looks like. I'm excited about this because it's got a little pop of color in there. Sleek packaging. Super, super cute. Okay, and then comes with a good 10 shades. And it has those larger pan shades for the browns and the highlighter shade. So you can kind of have that transition shade and all that good stuff, and you get a larger size of that because that's typically what we grab for when we wear eyeshadow. It's been a minute since I have put my eyeshadow on because, yeah. But I'm trying to get back into it. I want to get back into color. I want to get back into really putting in the effort, because I'm all about lazy girl makeup all day and out. So I did pick up something additional and I want to give it a try. And this is the Timeless Smoothing Primer. So it's in a jar. It's kind of different for me, but it got a lot of reviews and it's pretty much in this type of packaging in a glass jar. So because I really want something to really smooth out my pores, really keep the makeup on. So we'll see, because everybody's starting to claim the same things. Now all of a sudden everything is doing the same thing. So we will see. And I picked the black bag. Yeah, black bag that houses all 7 items. Very simple. Black is my favorite color. It goes with absolutely everything. So these are the items that I picked up from the Tarte's Custom Beauty Kit sale. Super excited to try them out, and I will do a video when I see what works, what I can actually wear, because I have very weird undertones, so therefore I can go cool, I can go warm. Neutral sounds like it should be for me, but when I get a neutral shade, it goes a bit gray on me. So it's the weirdest thing when it comes to foundation, concealers, and all that fun stuff. So we shall see what works, what doesn't, and then I'll do another video about my final thoughts. Would I keep it in my makeup collection? Would I not? Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe. If you would like to see me do specific videos, how-tos, and additional tutorials, please let me know. And then I'll link my specific items that I have on in my Amazon storefront. Thank you so much again for watching. See you next time.